Water fasting. Our body needs water to function properly, but not many pay attention to the fact that water constitutes over 60% of our body. Every tissue and organ relies on water to stay alive, so proper water hydration is important to our overall health. It is the most preferred beverage to quench our thirst on any given day. But what if you rely on water as your only source of food and beverage for the next 30 days? This video will cover the benefits of water fasting when you are on a 30-day water fasting, people who shouldn't water fast, and few simple tips that you must follow while you're on this journey. Hello guys, and welcome to Target 100 Years. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to check out more videos in the description down below. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's look at the benefits of water fasting. Number 1. Improved mental performance. Human brain is made up of 75% water, and during water fasting, it has become your main source of hydration. You can experience a tremendous boost in creativity and your mental activity. According to studies published in neuroscientific journals, drinking water for a prolonged period, just as 30 days, can have a positive impact on the brain's level of activity. This is because your brain needs a sufficient supply of oxygen in order to function properly, and since you are surviving only on water, your brain is functioning at a perfect condition with an adequate supply of oxygen. The second benefit is aid in weight loss. Being on water fasting will essentially reboot and detox your whole body. It will flush out toxins and improve metabolic functions in your body. If you incorporate the habit of drinking warm water every morning, it will improve your body function by up to 25%. When you drink warm water, it tightens up your intestines, which not only aids your digestive system but also regulates bowel movement, thus making you more cleaner from the inside and leaner. When you are on water fasting, your body breaks down fat to complete its energy needs, and warm water helps the body to break down the adipose tissue where most of the body fat is stored. Losing fat in the adipose tissue will help you lose weight and feel better for yourself. The third benefit is improved immunity and strong heart. There is a saying, water is world's first and foremost medicine. It behaves as a catalyst for renewing your body to its optimal levels. Since water improves the performance of liver and kidney functioning, during water fasting, elimination of toxic substances, waste and excessive salt from your blood becomes their sole function. Water neutralizes the pH level in your body, thus it strengthens immunity against kidney problems and other illnesses. Water also prevents the blood from thickening and lowers blood pressure, thus reducing the threat of a heart attack. A paper published by the American Journal of Epidemiology in 2002 revealed that during water fasting, it becomes easier for the heart to send fresh oxygenated blood to the organs. It showed that people who drank a glass of water before bedtime have 41% less chance to die from a heart attack. The fourth benefit is slow aging. Being on water fasting slows your aging process by hydrating your nails and skin. Internal moisturizing keeps your skin smooth and healthy by improving blood circulation in cells and expel toxins, creating a glowing and youthful effect. The increased hydration during water fasting repairs the damaged cells, maintains muscle tone, and reduces appearances of wrinkles. An article published in 2013 in Daily Mail UK documented the effects of drinking water for 30 days on a 42-year-old woman. She said that by doing this 30-day experiment made her look like 10 years younger. The dark shadow around her eyes and blotches on her face had totally disappeared. The transformation was remarkable and she felt leaner and fitter too. Now let's take you through the journey of 30-day water fasting. These experiences were documented by some people who experimented on themselves. A detailed link to their experiences is in the description below. Day 1 to day 4. These 4 days might not be easy for you at first. You will feel hungry all the time. Since the body uses sugar from food to complete its energy needs, it will not be getting any of it now. As the body is going through its own biological meal cycle, you will feel food cravings. Your energy levels will be dropped as it goes into the battery saving mode. You will feel irritated and your patience will wear thin. Good thing about this stage is that your body metabolic rate will become more efficient and it will use less energy. These 4 days are vital for cleansing your body and improving your heart health. Day 5 to day 10. This is the second stage of water fasting. Your body is in ketosis. Now it has started using fat to complete its energy needs. Surprisingly, you will stop feeling hungry and simultaneously feel more energetic and less tired. The only problem at this stage is that you might feel headache and experience problem in sleeping normally. You might also feel lightheaded if you try to do too much physical activity. This is because your body is in battery saving mode. However, burning stored fat into glycerol and fatty acids will expel stored harmful waste in the process. Since you have to keep a balance, it's better to go for a brisk walk and avoid any HIIT sessions. In the second stage, you will start to lose weight and experience a detoxifying effect in the body. Day 11 to day 20. At this third stage, you will feel more energetic, happy, and more particularly clarity of mind. You will experience positive changes in the functioning of the digestive system since it is not getting any toxins that it used to get through food. At this stage, your blood pressure might be a bit lower than normal and you might feel cold frequently during the day. Sure, it becomes a bit stressful going through water fasting, but it is good stress because your immune system is becoming stronger and more resilient. The third stage of water fasting not only increases body's immune system but also speeds up body's healing process. Day 20 to day 30. Only few people have the courage to reach this stage. If you are one of them, you have to pay attention to your health and contact a doctor immediately during emergencies. It is advised to take some time off work and keep your physical activity to a minimum. The best part about this last stage is that you will feel light and active because your body is completely hydrated and toxin free. If possible, you can also try a light cardio workout to stay more active. You will be at your best, bustling with energy and feel more proud and confident about yourself. Your vitals will be at impressive levels and any health abnormality will not be a problem now. Day 31. Now you are ready to break your 30-day water fast. Since your digestive system is almost like a newborn baby, it's better not to feast on anything and everything you see. Start by drinking fruit juices with broth and cooked vegetables. This will acclimate your digestive system to the process of consuming food once again, and slowly during next few days you can try including chapatis and rice in your meals. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. The body changes in terms of growth during pregnancy. Along with it, its energy requirements change too. Going into any form of fasting will negatively impact not only the woman's body but also the life growing inside of her. Water fasting can adversely affect people with heart problems like recurring chest pain, past experiences with heart attack, and open heart surgeries. Also, people who are on medication for blood thinners and malignant arrhythmia are advised not to perform water fasting or any form of fasting. Drink only when you feel thirsty. Your body will send signals when it feels there is a need for water. It will send signals like changing the color of urine to dark, yellow, or dry chapped lips or lack of energy in case of dehydration. Ayurveda encourages drinking water only when you feel thirsty, since the same amount of water cannot be recommended to everybody. Make your own drinking system without feeling too full. Avoid cold or chilled water. Most of the people have habit of drinking chilled water pulled straight from the fridge. It can cause sore throat, shrink blood vessels, aggravate joint pains, and decrease heart rate. It is advised to drink water at room temperature, or drinking lukewarm water is even better. You can try storing it in earthen pot this way, and water will not only stay cool but also the pH of water stays balanced by removing any impurity. Don't drink water while standing. Most people have the habit of drinking water while walking, standing, or even running. These are not the ideal conditions for a kidney to be able to filter water. Also, while standing, our muscles and nerves are not relaxed, which makes it more difficult to quickly process the incoming fluids. It leads to an imbalance of fluids in the body and causes greater accumulation of fluids in the joints, causing arthritis. It is better to sit down and sip water slowly and get most out of the 30 days water fasting. Share your experiences and strategy on how you plan to do water fasting. Let us know in the comments down below. If you liked our video, please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel Target 100 Years and stay with us in this journey. Click on the bell icon to never miss an update. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also tell us what other topics you want to see the next. Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, goodbye.